flooding is expected. Special weather statement for Mille Lacs County in Minnesota, Stearns County in Minnesota, Benton County in Minnesota, Sherburne County in Minnesota, Ysani County in Minnesota, Wright County in Minnesota, until 9 a.m. At 8:25 a.m., heavy rain in the area due to thunderstorms. Minor street flooding is already occurring. Locations impacted include St. Cloud, Buffalo, Ramsey, Elk River, St. Michael, Sartell, Otsego, Sauk Rapids, Monticello, Big Lake, St. Francis, Albertville, Wade Park, St. Joseph, Zimmerman, Princeton, Becker, Annandale, Milaca, and Foley. Don't drive through flood waters. This is Weather Radio.